So hello everybody, it's me, Shark Team. Right, so I think I heard something fall. Which no one's in my house. I'm like the only one here. Ah shit, it fell. I mean, this thing was right here. It was safely right here. How could it just fall right there? So I've been knowing there was a ghost in my house. That's not a ghost, that's me. I know that there's a ghost in my I know there's a ghost in my house. I'm also using my tablet since I couldn't find my regular camera. Anyway. I mean, every time I hear noises, not like, not like that, like, weird thing, like, I feel like there was a ghost with me. So, I gotta go bathroom break. So, y'all think maybe you're watching too much scary movies or scary shows, scary videos. No. There might be something with me. And I know there's a ghost here. And I ain't going back to sleep. I'll wake up in 2027.